God, I think I need to get right up in there along that grass is part of the problem. Oh, got it. You guys didn't even see that. You guys need to pay attention. You didn't even see that. Hello everybody. Welcome to the show. You stop it, I'm trying to do an intro. I want to talk real quick today. I'll make it real quick, I swear. Upside down Spider-Man kiss. About the Kuying Teton rods, what I recommend. I've had people asking me. I'm not a professional as far as or an expert on the subject, but I have had majority of the Tetons that are offered, and I'll give you my take on it. If you excuse me, if you're new to BFS, this will be some information to you. If you already know about what you want, what you like in BFS, this will be, I'm not telling you anything you don't already know. On the lineup of Kuying Tetons, you know, they got the 6.6 1 or 2, which I don't think you can get the 1 anymore. I haven't seen it listed on Aliexpress. But the 6.6 2, let's say, is a light, and it's rated at 2 to 10 grams, 3 to 8 pound line. Now, where this fits me is for like where I'm at right now. If I'm gonna go to little streams for say trout and little panfish type fishing, like if you've seen that video me and Charles were in, if not, go check that one out. Then you want to go down from that. But this is what I recommend for anybody. And the PW100 is a good reel. I got the Black Knight coming, still not here yet. I'll try it out, let you know what I think of it. But the 6.6 1 or 2, it will give you the ability to use bait casting gear instead of spinning gear for the little TRDs. Pretty much anything 16th ounce. Now a true 16th ounce crappie jig, 2 grams, like, you know, 1.8 or 2 gram bait. It's going to be a little tough, but if you've got a real good BFS reel, it's not that big an issue. Now the in-between, if you're say you're going to do some of the streams, you're going to do some ponds, some lakes, then you would go to something like this. That's the 6.32 ultralight. It's kind of just what I call like a what you would consider, what we used old time days, just a crappie rod. It's got plenty of give. It does get a little backbone to it. You can cast out the 16th ounce crappie jigs or with a bobber or whatever, and you can just have fun fishing. And for BFS stuff, it works real good in all those situations. From a, you know, probably, well, what the rating, it's hard to go by ratings on these rods, but it says 1 to 8 grams. 1 gram is probably a little bit of a stretch for any of these, because, you know, that 16th ounce is about where it stops, to where you can get like a good accurate cast with the 16th ounce bait. 16th ounce bait, which is almost 2 grams. So it says 1 to 4 grams, 2 to 8 pound line maybe. But this would be that in between. If you want, if you're a crappie fisherman, as far as you bass and crappie fish, and you want one, you don't want to be able to have to use a bait cat or a spinning reel anymore, just occasionally for crappie. This is a perfect one. The 6.6 1, it would do it, or 6.6 2 light, but it'd be a lot more fun and easier on the 6.32. Now, when you're going to, I guess you're just challenging yourself. You're coming to anywhere, like I'd say ponds and small streams and stuff. If you're going to some lakes, I would leave this at home. The 5.22 super ultralight. It's just so soft. I mean, you can pretty much cast anything. This will cast with the 6.32, and it'll just be much more enjoyable on bigger bodies of water. But for little tight spots, the 5.22, that's a 2.2, not doo-doo, is perfect. This is that new little bait we got. You need a good BFS reel if you're going to throw real little lightweight stuff, like say anything. Say you're going 2 grams or less. Like this is rated for, it says 0.8 to 3 grams, 1 to 3 pound line, which I've got 6 or 8 pound line on it. And I overdid it, and I did, oh, I had a bite. I overdid it. I did break it. I've repaired it. It works good. That's the one thing I can't blame this rod. The Kuying Tetons, the reason I recommend them, I put them through some punishment. I put this through some punishment. How I broke it was because I got like 10-pound braid and I was holding the drag and I was flexing it and it popped and I was like, oops, too far. Under any normal circumstances, if you go by the line they recommend you put on it, you're not going to break this rod. It's a 2-piece rod that just it'll hold up to if you go by their specs on the line, or if you're just not a dummy and you have your drag set fairly loose and you're running 10-pound braid. So if you guys got any questions on the Tetons, this is a Teton video. I do highly recommend the Kuying Tetons. Now I don't own the company. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't know as far as, you know, how long they've been in production, how much longer they're going to keep making them quality. If at some point they'll turn bad, I think not. I think they're a good reputable company over in China, puts out good stuff. Now that I say that, I will, you know, heed you in. I'm not saying anything Kuying is awesome stuff, because I have Kuying Conquerors, if you haven't seen those videos, about how I have broke a couple of those. And they did not handle the ratings like they were supposed to. Kuying Tetons. They're kind of like TRDs. They're the real deal. Awesome little BFS rods. Get out of here, go bass bonsai. Thank you for watching. It's working like it was before, you know, catching a... There we go. Uh-oh. That may be a better one. That is a better one. Whoa. Loosen this drag just a little. This is... Oh my goodness. Did you guys see this? That is a big fish. Oh my God. That's a big bass. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I thought, wow, this little rod makes him feel big, but that's a monster. The first bass on my new rod is like a 2-pound, maybe close to 2.5. Oh, look, he's hooked good, but look at that. There ain't no way I'm boat flipping this guy. Did you guys see that fish? Look at that freaking monster. This is why you go fishing no matter how cold it is. Get over here. Oh my God, get over here. Yes! Look at that. Holy cow. Woo! Look how thin that rod is. That sucker was pulling drag. I was like, oh, the drag's way too tight. That, my friends, is a nice bass. First bass on the new rod. It's going to be a lucky rod. There we go. Whoa, that is a good bass. Got one. Good one. Come on. Oh, that is a nice bass on this Kuying Teton. 661 light. Oh boy. This is probably the biggest fish I've caught with this rod. I can't tell for sure. Oh boy, here it comes. Don't get off. At least jump right up here where I can see it. That is a nice bass. Coming right to the boat. Oh, what's going under the boat? That is the biggest bass I've caught. Look at that. 3.5, close to 4 pounds maybe. You guys see it? That is a nice bass. Definitely not going to try to boat flip it. Let's see if I can get it in. Come here, you big tongued devil, you. Look at that fat belly. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yes? Let's just cast one out there. Believe it or not, this is the dam, but it's not that. Oh, just like that right there. I did not get a good hook set. That was a nice bass. Oh boy, we are on it. I was just getting ready to say he's gonna jump. Oh my God, you guys hear that drag? Peel and drag. Head shake, peel and drag. See, I was getting ready to say we're off the dam, but it's not that deep right here. It's only like 7 foot. It gets 20 foot further out. But this about 20 or 30 foot out is only 7 and 8 foot. Oh man, he's gonna try to run me up under something. I have to put on a little heat. Here's another epic battle. This is over a 2-pounder. Come on. At least come up and jump. There you go. Going out to deep water too. It's like, I'm out of here. Something's got me. Come on. 6-pound test. I need to check that line. Get up. Get up. Oh no. We made it mad. We have made it mad. There it goes. There's the line. Whoa! Get away from me. Get. Oh, we made it mad. Trying to keep it in line so you guys can see it when it comes up. It's going to jump, I know. My goodness. You guys getting this? It's going to come up. Oh, that's a nice bass. Oh, at least 4. It may be bigger. Oh, it's hooked good too, I think. Look at that. Look at that monster. Oh no, it's not hooked the greatest. Get over here. Another epic battle. Stay up. Come here. Got you. You big fat 4-pounder. Woo! We are on it today, boys and girls. Look at that. Look at that, would you? Oh yeah.